This is the other side. This is where the elevator comes up to.
Oh.
Is up here.
I was like, this house has to have another upstairs. This is, oh, and you have sofas for up here too.
Yeah.
This the man cave?
Kind of, sort of, yeah. Yeah.
This is nice.
And they're mechanical recliners. You know, you just press the button and then.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how does this feel? Do you feel surreal? Like, is this real yet?
I have to pinch myself every day. Seriously. I mean, you know, it's just, I hope I never take this for granted.
Yes.
Because this has been so long in our dreams. 25 years, we've been wanting a new home, a beautiful home, a dream home. And this is it.
And in your words, why do you feel like you could have done this 10 years ago? You could have done this 5 years ago. Why
maybe
now?
5 years ago, but why now? Because we knew what we wanted. And we looked at other houses and, you know, God wanted what we wanted. And so there were other houses that were a step up from where we lived, but they weren't what we really, really wanted.
No
and
rush.
So, yeah, so it was like, if we thought we were pursuing it, God put stumbling blocks all along the way. And so we didn't get those. There were 2 other houses that we were looking at buying.
Right.
But it wasn't our dream home, but they were beautiful homes. Just better than what we were living in, which was a 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, actually 4-bedroom, ranch style with a basement. Just old. It was built in 1974.
Wow.
And so we'd been there for 21 years, and I was just ready to get out of that house. I mean, my kids lived in a prettier house than I lived in.
Yeah.
And so...
But you didn't make decisions based off that. You still waited.
We waited because I wanted to be able to pay for a lot of the house.
Right.
And we were going to build. And so we just kept socking money away. And we put it up, Along the way, we bought and paid cash for some land.
Right.
And then we also bought and paid cash for 3 dream cars along the way. So, but we were still, the rest of the money was going towards our building fund. We were going to build. And then we found this, and today, I mean, we're able to move in, and half of it's paid for.
Exactly.
It's already half paid for.
Yep.
So for what's left owed on this, that was what we were looking at buying.
Right.
A few years ago.
Yep.
You know, so I mean, we only owe, you know, less than $700,000 on this house.
Awesome.
You know, so it's great. I mean, it's just crazy.
It is, and it's just great to be able to have those dreams. I mean, like we just said, you had the money forever ago, but it's not based off that. It's based off getting what you want, not just rushing to get it.
Right.
Take your time, make decisions. The same way go with the business. Take your time.
I mean, we're
nothing's
not
a rush.
in a race. This is a marathon.
Exactly.
You know, you got to pace yourself. You know, spend your money wisely.
Right.
Don't get into debt trying to impress other people.
Yes.
And that was what I had to really battle in my mind was, okay, here I'm an Ambassador Diamond.
Right.
My kids live in a more beautiful home than I do. And yet I make way more money than they make.
Right.
You know, but yet I was having cars that were paid for in cash. You know, our house that we lived in, we were able to pay that off 20 years early. You know, so it was just this business decision and what was wise for us.
Right.
Money wise, you know, and we just didn't want to get into, you know, into debt up over our ears.
Exactly.
You know? And so this was worth waiting for.
It is.
It's everything we ever wanted and then some.
Yep.
You know? So come look at this room.
Okay.
This is really a cool room right here. So